Hi, my name is Alfred White Preones Daga, Best Ed 12M. In Cavite State University, Bacoor Campus for EDOC 85. My topic is about educational technology tools. I'm choose is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a suite of online productivity and collaboration tools formerly known as G Suite. In includes apps like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and more designed to help individuals, teams, and business work together efficiently. Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-sign in ng Google Workspace or how to use siya. Sign in ka lang dyan. Oy. Tapos pumili tayo ng account or Gmail account mo. Choose or Gmail account. Yan. Yan. Ito yung mga apps na pumapasok dito for Google Workspace. Google Calendar, Google Classroom, Google Docs, Drive, Forms, Gemini app, Gmail, Google Chat, Google Contacts, Google Meet, or groups of business, sheets, slides. Google Workspace case features and apps is example, communication. Mapasok dito yung Gmail, custom business email, Meet, video, conferencing, chat, messaging. Collaboration, docs, word processing, sheets, spreadsheets, slides, presentations. Storage, drives, cloud storage. Organization, calendar, shared calendars, keep digital notes, sites, theme and project sites. And EI, Gemini, EI assistant, EI powered tools in docs, sheets, Gmail, and more. Pwede siya gagamitin dito about for education sa mga estudyante. Ayan, mga Google, mga AI, pwede mo siya gamitin for Google Workspace. Benefits naman nito is using for Google Workspace, accessibility, work from anywhere with cloud-based tools. Collaboration, is easily hear and work on documents, presentation, and more. Storage naman is securely store and access your files. Customization, choose the plan that best suits your needs from individual to enterprise level. Integration, seamlessly integrate with other Google service. Security, benefit from Google Secure by Design cloud infrastructure. For EI, powered productivity, utilize EI tools to enhance your workflow and streamline tasks. Ang mga different dito for editions and plans for business. Example, business. For business with 1 to 300 users. Sa education naman for qualifying educational institutions. Enterprise for larger organization with advanced security and controls. Essentials for individual and small business without Gmail.
While Google Workspace for Education has heaps of great features for schools, you might find that you need some extra functionality. The Teaching and Learning upgrade brings several extra features that are useful in the classroom, including interactive Q&As, polls and breakout rooms in Google Meet, as well as unlimited originality reports in Classroom. If you want to trial the Teaching and Learning upgrade, it's really easy to get a 60-day free trial. Let's have a quick look at how you can do this directly from the Google Workspace admin console. Log into the admin console at admin.google.com and under Billing select Manage Subscriptions. Click Add or Upgrade a Subscription and you'll see a number of categories down the left. There's a range of services you may find useful, but we're going to select Google Workspace for Education. In here we'll find the Teaching and Learning upgrade. Click on Start Free Trial to begin the process, then click Get Started. The trial plan doesn't require any payment, so make sure it's selected and click the Checkout button. You can now place order to automatically begin using these services. At the end of the trial, if you want to continue using it, you can subscribe to this service or alternatively allow it to lapse.
Ito guys, nakapasok na ako dito sa may Gmail. Yan. Ito siya, nagiging Google. Welcome to Google Workspace. Let's get started. Yan. Pwede siya gamitin sa business, sa mga education. Yan, kung paano siya, 'di ba tinuro ko kanina yun, paano siya parang Google ano lang siya, Gmail Google account. Gagawa ka lang ng Gmail account or tapos lagay mo siya ng password, ayan, magsa-sign in ka lang. Yun, makapagpasok ka na siya agad dito sa Google Workspace. Thank you guys.